what's up guys, and today we're wrapping the passenger side door and the passenger side fender. Alright, so as you guys can see, I got the door all prepped and ready to go. I took the mirror out and took this little piece out. I don't even know what that is, but there's a little black piece that goes right here. I took that out. I took the door handle out. The door handle right now is drying in front of the heater in order to dry a little bit faster because it is cold outside. Also with the fender, I don't know if you guys can see it from there, but I did shift it forward just a little bit and zip tied it down so this way I can roll the edges around and I won't have any issues. Also, I can roll it around on this door because I had an issue with that on that side. So, with that being said, we're just gonna jump right into this.
Hey, from the moment of my...
Alright, so as you guys can see, I made little homemade magnets because I'm too cheap to go on Amazon and buy actual magnets. So I used some old shorts and this round magnet with like a bunch of washers and a screw, and it kind of made a magnet there, and then I'm just using a regular old magnet over there. It holds up. Now, the tricky part, without having any friends here, I need to somehow rip that backing off. And I don't really know how I'm gonna do that yet. So give me a second, guys. I'll check back in with you guys once I can actually get it stuck onto the car, and then we'll go from there. Also, guys, I want to say this. So all the websites say to replace this blade, and I thought that was just crap. Yeah, no. Follow the directions. Change your blade on your X-Acto knife. Very simple. Walmart sells these things cheap as hell. Like $2 a box. You get 5 of them. Change it every panel or so. And there you go. New blade.
Up and I been looking for a guided light to lead me on my way. Yeah, lost, struggling to make the top. A slipping grip can't hold me up. It's the game of life we play. When everything comes crashing down. From this moment rolling up, a speeding train can't hold it up. You and I, we lost our way. You cheated light and ran away, and I got stuck with a knife in me, and this pain won't go away, but still, when everything comes crashing down.
Alright guys, so door's done, door handle's done. I didn't show you guys the door handle just because I did it really fast last night. This is the next day. So I got the fender going right now. I already cut the piece. It is 5 feet long by about probably around 3 feet up and down, tall, whatever. Way more than I really needed, but it's always good to have a little bit extra just in case. This way you can fold it over. Even though I really don't need this much, but I'll get into that later. Just like the door, I'm just going to do a whole bunch of time lapse with this. This is going to be interesting. Hopefully this vinyl does not touch the floor, which it's going to, so I'm going to have to figure that out. Keep me in your phone unless you know that you I'm used to the pain, but baby, don't forget. It's all fun and game until the final step. That's when you overstep. You know that I'm weak, you exploit that, yeah. I'm down on my knees when you place your bet. Keep telling myself it's the last of it. guys, so that was a nice short little video that I wanted to put out there. I got the door done. The door was done perfectly. There are no bubbles or creases or anything like that. It came out way better than I thought I could do by myself. The fender, unfortunately, I did mess up with an entire piece of, it was like a 2.5 foot piece. And that was my fault. I forgot to take the protective piece. Like, it's like a clear protective piece on top of the vinyl. I forgot to take that off. With that on, you won't be able to get the creases out. And unfortunately, I didn't realize I didn't take it off. So I ripped it off and then realized, oh, Jesus, forgot to take it off. So it's whatever. I still have a whole bunch of vinyl over there that I should be able to get the hood and the roof done, which I'm planning on doing today. I did get the pillars done on Christmas Eve, right before my family came over. I didn't film it because I needed to get it done because these pieces hold the weather stripping and I had to drive my car to work on Christmas Day. So I didn't really have time to film or do anything like that, but this is a very easy piece to do. I just laid it on. It didn't really take any stretching or anything like that. I do have to fix some lines up, but that's just a little tedious work that I will do off camera. So guys, with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, I love each and every one of you. And until next time, I will see you guys later.